Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and of course if you're doing it for the very first time, simply give all the permission it needs, or do not give them. Okay, not now. And as you can see, right now we are in the standard photo mode. It is highlighted, and it is good because we have to take a look at this option bar at the top. On the second position from the left, we've got the timer. So basically all we have to do is to tap on it. We can set the 3 seconds delay, 10 seconds delay after tapping on it again, and again we've got the timer turned off. Let me try to unroll this option. Of course, if you want to, you don't have to change it just by tapping. You can unroll this upper bar, and here you've got the countdown timer, so you can really see the timer and you can pick it right here. So let me pick 10 seconds and let me go back. Of course, as you can see, this icon will change slightly, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. All we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so basically this is how the timer works, and of course you can always turn it off. Just set this icon to this crossed out timer or clock icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.